Launching new things feels like a total gamble, right? But what if the problem isn't your ideas, but your strategy? Let's fix that. Too often, innovation means chasing shiny objects, adding features we think are cool, or just asking customers what they want instead of understanding what they need. This isn't a strategy for predictable success. It's innovation roulette. The game changes when you build your strategy around the customer's job to be done. What's that? It's the progress they're trying to make in a specific situation. It's not about your product, it's about their goal. A real jobs to be done strategy means your approach, from ideas to launch, centers on helping customers get their job done better. So, what does this look like? First, know the real goal. It starts by deeply understanding that core customer job. Second, measure success like your customer. You uncover exactly how they measure success or their desired outcomes. Third, find the real opportunities. Use data to find where customers struggle most, the outcomes that are most important but badly satisfied. That's where predictable innovation happens. Fourth, build and market solutions that deliver. You design products and marketing messages specifically to nail those crucial unmet outcomes. How do you even begin to shift your strategy? Start by asking these powerful questions. 1. What job are we really helping customers do? 2. How do they measure success? What are their outcomes? 3. Where are they struggling the most? What are their biggest unmet needs? Just answering these forces a shift in your entire focus. Moving to a jobs to be done strategy replaces guesswork with a clear roadmap for value creation. You stop gambling on innovation and start building a predictable growth engine. Do you want to dive deeper into the pillars for building this strategy? I've got a detailed blog post explaining it all. It's either in the description below or you'll find a link there. If this strategic shift makes sense to you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips on building winning innovation strategies. And let us know in the comments, what's the biggest block to your current innovation strategy?